Okay, so in this video we're going to look at the reverse bay park. So I've pulled up alongside the bays about a door length apart. So if you look in that mirror there, if you can see it, you can see I'm about a door length away from the white lines. And also if we look at the white line as it lines up on the wiper, it's about halfway roughly. So that's roughly what we're looking for here. Okay, so we're going to reverse back till we get the line, one of the lines on the left, roughly in line with about a third of the door. In this particular car, I usually line it up with the cushion. Okay, so first we're going to do our 6-point check: left blind spot, left mirror, interior mirror, up ahead, right mirror, and over the right shoulder. Okay, looks good. So we're going to reverse it back nice and slow until we get it lined up where we said. So about there looks about right to me, about a third of the way in. That's great. Okay, so again we're going to check again, make sure it's safe, and then when we move nice and slow, we're going to turn the wheels quickly as we can, full lock to the left. So here we go, we're going to move nice and slow and full lock to the left. That's it. So now as we come along, remember to keep looking round, make sure it's still safe to continue. It's looking pretty good. Keep it nice and slow. That's it. Yep, so it's starting to look like it's lining up into the bay. I'm going to keep coming in a little bit more. Looking good. Okay, and then when I can see that the blue line lines up perfectly with the lines on the bay, then I can start to straighten up. So just a little bit more movement. And then here we go, 1.5 turns back to straight. Okay, and that's it, and we're in. Okay, so I'm going to open the door. Let's have a little look, see how we've done. Yep, looks good. Nice and straight, nice and parallel, centered inside the bay. That's exactly what we wanted. Okay, so remember, the key is keep the car speed slow, steer very quickly, and don't forget the observation. 6 points is absolutely vital. And yeah, if you do that, generally speaking, it works out pretty much very consistently every single time. Okay, so I hope you found that helpful, and I'll see you again in the next video.